In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up and customize the COVID screening questionnaire, how to set up alerts and customize messages for athletes, how to add COVID items on the dashboard, and how to export the COVID log and raw data. To set up or customize your COVID-19 screening questionnaire, proceed as follows. Open the app, then select the team menu. Go to Team Settings and Wellness Questionnaire. Open the section, then scroll down, and then you'll see the Health category. Replace this by COVID-19. Then scroll down and save. That's the first step. Second step, you will have to add the COVID questions. So scroll down, and instead of how is your health, then you can enter a question about COVID-19. So for example, have you been in contact with anyone sick since yesterday? Then you select the COVID-19 category, and in a short name section, you enter the COVID-19 subcategory. For example, this is exposure. Then you enter the answers, no or yes. You repeat this for all the COVID questions you want to ask. Here, fever, for example. In the short name, you put fever COVID-19, no, yes. Symptoms, symptom COVID-19, no, yes. And then once you're done, you save. If you need to collect actual numbers, the actual temperature, for example, you can create a custom field. So you go at the end of the questionnaire, you select the little green cross, and then you enter the question. Set it to show, set it to decimal because you want to collect a number. And here in the unit, select C, like Celsius, or F, like Fahrenheit. This is the logic to generate the alert. So daily Z score, lower the better. So every time you have a spike in temperature, you will receive an alert. If it's a morning temperature, you select morning. If it's an evening temperature, you select evening. You can also administer the same measure morning and evening. You just create a second field, one for morning, the other one for evening. And once you're done, you save. So this was the setup. Once your wellness questionnaire has been modified to accommodate COVID-19 screening, you can easily add COVID alerts on your dashboard. To do so, scroll down, go to Readiness Dashboard, open it, and then scroll down again, go to the Wellness section. And then simply select the short name that you have been entering in the COVID-19 questionnaire. Exposure, fever, symptoms, and current temperature. You can turn off everything else, or also if you want to combine COVID-19 and wellness components, then you can also put soreness and fatigue and whatever else that you have been setting up. As a result, when athletes are recording their COVID questionnaire, the system will automatically display the COVID alerts right on the dashboard. Exposure, fever, symptoms. To customize the alerts and messages displayed to the athlete, simply go to Team Settings, Alerts, scroll down. You see in the Wellness section, select COVID-19. Activate the athlete button, so the button turns blue, and this will allow the athlete to view the alert on their app. And also, if you want to modify the text that it will be provided to the athlete by default, you select the little exclamation mark. And there you can enter the text that you want the system to display when the athlete presses on the alert. You have red alerts and then you have yellow alerts. Once you're done, so you can edit the text. If you want to apply the change to all the teams, you select this and then you save. To export the COVID-19 log in raw data, go to the team menu, log and stats, then select wellness logs, select the group of athletes, select the time frame, select the type of format, and then press export.